Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the 2-post lifts TW250 and TW260 from TWIN BUSCH. The heavy line lifts have 2 hydraulic cylinders for powerful lifting and lowering. The lifting capacity is of 5,000 and 6,000 kilograms respectively. The motor cover protects the motor and reduces the noise level. A practical 230 volt socket and the anti-lift up button can be found directly on the control unit. The lifts have a door protector on each post to prevent damages on the car doors. All 4 lifting pads have thread protection and there are 4 extension adapters included in the delivery. Let's take a look at the lift in action. The lifting pads with thread protection and the extension adapters are included in the delivery. We offer special adapters for most reception points according to the manufacturer's specifications. For example, the TW250 AD3 which can be seen in this video. There is a holding bracket for 2 extension adapters on each post. The lifting arms are locked automatically as the lift goes up. The automatic safety locking system protects the lift from accidental lowering. The TW250 is unlocked automatically. The heavy line 2-post lifts TW250 and TW260 are suited for the widest variety of vehicles. From large vans up to the small Twizy. By lowering the lifting arms onto the safety locks, the hydraulic system is relieved and the lift can be used as a parking lift. Here we see the rubber door protector. Due to the extra flat lifting arms, the TW250 is also suited for sports cars. The post-protective cover protects the hydraulic cylinder from sparks while welding or grinding. A practical 230-volt socket can be found on the side of the control unit. The anti-lift up button is positioned above the socket to lower the lift precisely without automatically lifting up before. Additionally, the main post can be equipped with a pneumatic connection with the optionally available air kit.